The smartest thing that I could tell people whenever it comes to certain court cases, and the reason being, like, a lot of people are probably about to start going pro se with court cases, no longer wanting to hire lawyers. And I will be the reason why people wouldn't want to hire lawyers anymore, which would make that system more or less likely to benefit from how they usually been benefiting. And considering that you got more people that are wanting to go private citizen wise, become under establishments like Jehovah Witnesses, Amish, Jewish, let alone being Moors, even though it's nonsense. However, it's a protected class that they know that when you go to legal or judicial systems and you go to court cases, they know it's certain things that they are not able to throw a book at you. They know it's certain things that they can't say towards you. Also, whenever it is like, say you do get public offenders and things of that such, you can renounce certain people's jurisdiction over you, even let alone to the judge. So like, say if you have the judge there, and no, this is not having to be researched or nothing like that. It's just basic common sense. I feel people should know and pay attention. When they say, hey, do you understand your charges? You're allowing that judge or whoever it is, that persecution, to now have jurisdiction over whatever plea you decide to take at that moment. That's their jurisdiction and ground to go ahead to do quiet investigations in the background, to research, to utilize as their pull and leg up in a courtroom or legal proceedings. Whether you go in there and you did theft, robbery, if you did a M case type thing, these people will also look to utilize this as well when they getting caught up in RICOs, which my situation is clearly a RICO. This was harassment. This was stalking. You can go ahead and start connecting the dots. Who's the lawyer? Who's the judge on the case? You can see what your situation tied in. With mine's with the Veterans Affairs, Children's Hospitals, condominiums. So now I'm able to make the legal connection behind who are their funders, what donations do they get, who runs those property managements, Veterans Affairs, what veterans do live in that neighborhood, what people are friends, is there military ties, is these judges or these lawyers, are they friends, are they acquaintances? Because guess what, fraternization is a thing when it comes to court cases. So if you ever find out a judge, a lawyer, and all those involved in your case, even social workers, and you find out that they're friends after the case, that is a conflict of interest with your court case, even down to the EMTs, the hospitals, nurses, doctors. If you find out that they're friends, it's